Hello guys, hello, my name is Elena, welcome back to my channel. Let's do today another one of those decorate the top of the cake. I done the video before and you guys seems to like that idea, you like that format, so let's just do more of those. All right, so like I did in the last one, so we pretend that this is the top of the cake. The board is 8-inch round and we're just gonna decorate it as the top of the cake. So I have my icing here mixed, so let's just do the background first. The color, this is kind of very nice mauve pinkish purple color. I really like this color. This was just one little drop of this Americolor plum. Okay, so if you guys interested in how I created that, so just one little drop make this very pretty mauve color. All right, it's a little too thin, so add a little more. So see, just like you decorate your cake, except I don't do cakes right now, I just concentrate on sugar cookies, but I still very much enjoying working with buttercream. I like how you can draw things in buttercream, and I think I do pretty good job, so I figured why not to share how I do things. And again, if you're new on my channel, wherever I decorate the cakes, it's pretty much 99% of the time is crusting buttercream. You can see the recipe on my channel under icings, and I'm gonna link in the description box as well. So that means when it's sits a little bit, it kind of crusts over, and I use paper towel to smooth it out. So see how I have all these ridges? I'll just go and do like that. All right, if it peels up a little bit, then let it dry a little bit more and we'll just go back. Or if it is going to be covered with design, we're just not going to worry about it. All right, as usual in cake decorating, there's a skill, there's be perfect, and there's also, if you can cover it, don't worry about it. Well, that's what I say. All right, so just do it. And of course on the cake you have the sides too, but I'm just gonna do the top. All right, so that should do it. And let's create some kind of nice fall something here. So I'm feeling pumpkins and a couple flowers and a little bit greenery. I think that should look very pretty. So let's do, I already pre-mixed that. I have this is just plain orange, Americolor orange color. And so let's do 2 pumpkins. So one will be kind of like here, so I kind of eyeball it, something like that. And there's one will be kind of behind it, like that. And then I think for the proportion, I can make this one bigger. Yes, I like this. All right, so then I'm just gonna fill in, and I'm gonna do it kind of in the ridges, kind of like a real pumpkin. And use my paper towel to smooth it out. When I draw with buttercream, I like, not all the time it comes out like that, but I kind of like a little 3D effect. I think it creates a little more to it. So it's not just flat. All right, so do it like that. And again, go back. And now this, I'm just gonna try to smooth out the top part of it, but I'm not gonna try to make it flat, if that makes sense. See, like that. So I do have a little ridges coming out. Like that. And now we can do the same with the bottom pumpkin. And of course it's larger, so I'm gonna do a few more of those ridges like that. And again, on the second layer, I'm gonna try to create a little bit that goes up. There we go. And I'm gonna smooth it out towards the bottom part of it, but the top and the middle, I'm gonna leave it as that. Now I have in the bag I mixed up, this is Americolor chocolate brown, and I just have snapped the tip of it like that. And then we can go ahead and do the like that, and we can do the same on this side. And you can leave it like that. Whatever, if you can see, it's like a little icing part come up. I don't like that. I always kind of knock it down. All right, so it's kind of pushed down. Like when you write, all the ends always kind of pop out. Just use paper towel. It always looks so much nicer. All right, now for the flowers, I have this in the bag, and I think this kind of will be pretty. This one come out, it's an English color, it's Sugar Flare, and it's color of claret. This is such a pretty color. All right, and let's do some mums, because this is fall outside. So let's go ahead and do our mum tip. Gonna use this one. It looks like a little smile. And this one is Ateco, come on, can I see it? Ateco number 79. All right. And since I have this already in a bag, so I'm gonna just use this bag. But what I usually do, I'm just gonna cut the tip a little more. All right, just make sure it doesn't fall back on the cake. And I'm gonna put the tip right over the bag. And I'm gonna use a Scotch tape to attach it. Just like that. See, that way you don't have to use second bag. Kind of saves you a little bit. All right, so let's do, so for the mom tip, always decorate it with smile up, like happy smile. All right, so we'll do one flower here. Oops, come on, stick. And another, let's put here. All right, so for the mums, and you can do it on a flower nail, something like this, I just do it directly on a cake. So I started from the bottom layers, so we'll do the bottom petals first. All right, that's our outline, and then go back up and kind of build our flower. Some start from the middle, go down. I like this way. There's no really right or wrong way, just do it the way it turns out the best for you. All right, and you can just spin your turntable and finish up your flower just like that. And let's do second one the same way. Oops, too long. That'll be fine. We can cover it with the leaves. And again, so pipe your bottom petals first, kind of find your shape of the flower and the size. See, I like that. And then just fill it in. All right, I'm not gonna speed this video up, that way you guys can see how long it really takes to decorate the cake, something like that. And it's not like in a TikTok, it does take more than 30 seconds, unfortunately. But that way you can kind of have realistic expectations and not be frustrated if something doesn't come up as quick as you can see others do online. I think it's very frustrating when you see them doing 30 seconds or less, and then it takes you 2 hours to put all this together. And kind of unrealistic expectations, really. All right, now I feel like this should do it, and now we need greenery, so I'm just gonna use Americolor Olive Color. Mix it up. I like this color because it's kind of really nice shade to it, so it doesn't look like too fake, too green. Alright, so I'm gonna do it quite light color like that. And for the leaves, you can do it different way. You can do it leaf tip. Well, let me find it. All right, you can do it. This is a leaf tip. So this one is Wilton 352, so on the smaller size. Or you can do it with the rose tip, and this one is Wilton 102, so very small rose tip. And I can show you both ways. All right, let's do, and again, this comes handy, my method of how I do the bag. So again, I'll just snap the end of it like that. Let's put the rose tip first. So this one, again, Wilton 102. And this is nice to do kind of like for oak leaf type of leaf, all right? So what I'm gonna do is pretend like the leaf goes. So, you know, it goes like this, right? And then it's kind of like this and here and like this and like that, right? But of course we have a rose tip. So what I'm gonna do is take the tip and I'm gonna hold and squeeze, and as I squeeze, I'm gonna go up and down, up and down, up and down again, and that's how I'll complete my, leaf shape. Okay, so squeeze my bag, and I'll go up, down, go back up, come back, and now I continue to do the same on the other side. So I'm gonna go up, come back, up, come back, and then I go back to finish my leaf. So that's how you do oak leaf shapes. All right, so let's do it kind of in a quicker version. Here's another spot so you can kind of see and come back. See? And that's very nice leafy leaf. I don't know what's the right term for this, but you can do them different color, of course, for fall. And I may do it for different videos so you guys can kind of see. But it's very easy. If you can't imagine how the shape of it, you can always draw it with the toothpick and then just follow that. All right, so don't be scared of it. All right, just like that. So that's with that, and let's take it off. So I'll take this and I'll put my leaf tip on like that. And now we can do regular leaves. Sorry guys, I'm all in color. All right, so that one, see the regular one. For this, you can always do little different variations with the color. That's where you can see like different leaves. See already how pretty? Can do some here, like that. You can add more brown if you want. Let's see, what can we do? Let's put some branches. Kind of makes it more full. Put some on the bottom. Right? Can use a little bit of yellow, kind of brighten it up. All right. Like that. Maybe a little light brown. Can do a little acorn. See? And let's put the border. So what color shall we do the border with? Shall we do more ivory? Let's do more ivory. I have more icing on it, but you get an idea. All right, here we go. So I think I'm gonna stop on this. I think I like the way it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a like, write me a comment, ask me any questions, write me if you want something me to show you, any other ideas, or how to work with some other tips if you kind of have questions, and I would love to answer those. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.